how do you see advancements such as AI, virtual things, or digital fashion impacting the future of design and consumer experience? Bav, can you do one more answer and then we're done? And then we're done, guys. Because I know, you want to say something.
Alright, so I'll answer from the perspective of fashion stylist, and I think that I had a conversation about 2-3 weeks ago with one of my clients about AI taking over a stylist's job. And at first, when I heard about it, I was like a bit scared. you can ask anything to ChatGPT, any AI bot, and ask them, what can I wear today? And I think eventually there'll be an app where you can upload your whole wardrobe and you just ask, today I'm going to a fashion show and the theme is around Diamond of the Sea. And it's going to look at everything that you have in your wardrobe, all the accessories you have, and then pick the perfect outfit. Basically take over my job. But for now, we're fine. It's safe? We're safe for now. But I think that even when that happens, I'm still going to have that personal touch. I'm still going to have all the experience that I have with my clients that I bring. I've been doing this for a while now. I've done runway shows, I've done events, I've done weddings, I've done personal one-on-one. And I think that AI is very interesting if it supplements the creative process. If it doesn't take over the full process, I think it's very good. And technology has always been there since I was born in 2000. Technology has been with me since I was a kid. And I think it really helps in every single form. It makes us more productive. So we shouldn't fear it, right? Yeah, I think that it's just a supplement at the end of the day. And even when AI gets very, very smart, very strong, it's still going to need that personal touch. So that's where I come in.
All right. Well, a round of applause everyone for our panelists. Yes, Benjamin, I see you. I'm so sorry, I'm a conversationalist. I'm going to be talking to each and every one of you because I have so much more to ask. But thank you guys for coming up on stage and being with me and answering